Well, hello there, hello everybody, and welcome to my little fitness vlog. So right now I'm just about to film my workout for my webpage, fitnessbymaya.com, and we're gonna do burnout number 3, which is a 10-minute burnout with 3 different exercises. And when I was going through the exercises, I was thinking like, okay, it has to be really intense, but I still want that we actually tackle all of the body. So first one, we're going to do the commandos, which will target our core and a little bit of the upper body. Then we're going to do dumbbell snatch. I have here 8.8 kilo dumbbell. I'm going to do this alternating snatches with this one, and then I'm going to go also with the jump lunges, because also legs and cardio is really important for this one. And the timer I chose was or is 45 seconds per exercise, and we're gonna do all 3 consecutively, and then 15 seconds rest after jump lunges, and then we're gonna go into another round. So this is your, let's say, 10-minute burnout after your main workout. And the way how I train on my webpage, you always get a little extra bonus workout at the end of the main workout in the description, if you choose to do so. Or you can choose this one on the days that you're basically not working out for a longer time, and 10 minutes is just enough for you. And so I will show you some clips after I'm done, and I'm sure it's gonna be pretty intense. So another thing, I always drink my pre-workout coffee, because this is for me the best pre-workout since I'm training. So this is like a long time ago when I started training, and it really works for me the best. Although I tried other pre-workouts, I don't know, it just doesn't sit well with me. Any pre-workout that I tried so far, I'm just so thirsty, and I never drink let's say juices or anything like that, just because they make me so thirsty. So I rely on water and coffee, because of caffeine gives you this boost and also burns the fat as well. So if you didn't know, the caffeine actually lifts up the fatty cells on the surface, and with the workout you actually burn them, right? And this is the way also coffee works and caffeine works, but it also gives you this boost of energy if you're tolerant to the coffee. Of course, if you're not tolerant, then maybe just stick to the green tea and stuff like that, so it will be okay. Or maybe the other pre-workout works for you best, but for me coffee is the best one. All right, so that's it. And I'm excited to do this one because it's super fun. I love fun workouts, and I love to film them for you. Okay, let's check some clips now. We got this. That's fun. Okay, so I just finished my workout, and we will just go through all exercises that I did. So first one was a commando, so we go down on our belly, and then you just come up to the plank, knee tuck, and you drop yourself down, and you exhale. Now make sure that the elbows are backwards, you push yourself up. Okay. All right, if you're a beginner, go on your knees, down, and then from the knees up, and then do a knee tuck. Okay, and I was doing this for 45 seconds. Then the second one, we're gonna do dumbbell snatch, and for this I have here almost 9 kilos. And make sure that first the position is right, so engage your core, shoulders back, hinging in your hips backwards like you would want to do a sumo deadlift. Then grab dumbbells in the middle and then come up, yeah? And then you go down, and we alternate the sides. You can see this one is really heavy for me, and you do it like this. Okay, so from the side, so back is straight, make sure that you're engaging, and go. Yeah, if you can just go all in one go. Okay, this one's very heavy, so if you're not used to this kind of heavy weights, or you still have weak shoulders, then go with lighter weights. Okay, and the third one, we're gonna do the jump lunges. So you're stepping back 90 degrees, and you switch and try to go as low as you can, but make sure that you're not really touching the floor or bouncing from the floor down, or that you're not gonna hurt your knee. Okay, so again, core tight and so on. So if this is too hard, you can just do the back lunges. And you can also combine with a cool exercise. So you just do back lunge, like a little back lunge, and then you do a jump squat. Yeah, so if you're more or less beginner, this version is really good. Okay, so I did this for 10 minutes straight, 45 seconds per exercise. And after, at the end of one circuit, I rested for 15 seconds, and then I continued with 3 more rounds, so 4 rounds in total. So if you want to work out with me and do this burnout workout live with me, then it's on fitnessbymaya.com under burnout series. And yeah, so that's it. Also, another thing, if you're gonna struggle with maybe continuously to do the same exercise for a long period of time, let's say 45 seconds, and you need rest, then I would advise just chop it down to pieces. Maybe let's do 10 reps. You wait a little bit for a few seconds, and then you do another 10 reps or 20 reps. However you feel comfortable, that you can complete all the reps with the perfect form, with the perfect breathing, and then the exercise will be really effective. So there's no use that you can do, let's say, 20 reps in one go, and then you do the jump lunges like this, and whatever, you're losing the form, right? So the injuries can happen in this way. Okay, good. So, and now what I do for, it's fine, you can be in the video. And for my post-workout meal is my Herbalife post-workout shake. I have here a few options, but today I will go with my summer berries. And yeah, recently I discovered Herbalife, and I'm a member. I'm already a supervisor, and yeah, this really works for me wonders. And yeah, I love it. I mean, I really love it. The shakes are really tasty, delicious. They're vegan, they're gluten-free. They fill you up, they help you a lot. High protein, high vitamins and minerals, and those are made in Europe with more strict regulations regarding the food, because I am from Slovenia. Slovenia is in Europe, but I live in Seychelles. It doesn't really matter where you live, you can work all over the world. So I put 2 scoops, you can put 3. I use soya milk, and then I put a little bit of the ice as well, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of water in it. So you can also put chia seeds, anything else you would like, fruits if you want to, and shaking it off. I really notice the strength gains when I'm really mindful of what I'm eating. And you shake it really well, but not too well, in case you are, let's say, gas intolerant. It really tastes like summer berries. It's really, really nice. So those are my shake. And I also have the tea and aloe vera. Tea is also really good for burning fat as well, and full of antioxidants. It gives you the energy and the boost. But this really fills me up, and I really love it. Like, I cannot recommend it to more than this, because it's one of the most delicious vegan protein shakes and meal replacements I've ever tried. And if you're really on serious fitness nutrition gains, then I would definitely recommend Herbalife. If you want to become a member, please comment down below and I will give you all the instructions how to become a member. And remember, this is also an amazing community, educational purpose, and a really good business opportunity as well, if you choose and if you wish to. Okay. That's for me for today, so that you know what is my secret as well and my gains. So yeah, I've been using Herbalife now for about a year. Okay, so if you like this video, hit me a thumbs up and hit subscribe button. Comment down below what you love the most, and I hope to see you in my gym online, fitnessburnOut.com. Peace out.